Hey guys! So Halloween is approaching. Me and my friends were thinking what we should be for this year's Halloween. In October, my friend dragged me to go to watch a movie called It. I'm the person who've never watched horror movie before. My friend told me that it is not a horror movie and there's no like ghost or something inside. I got tricked. During the whole movie, I barely watched it and I was sitting like this. So I actually paid the tickets to go inside and just be like this for 2 hours. That's the other thing. We've went through a lot of ideas and I think if I could turn the It clown into the hot version, not too scary kind, it's interesting. It's on a trend right now. I've went through a lot of pictures and videos, came out my own version. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my It clown makeup with makeup products that I already have, and I believe most of you have those products. And then also I'm going to show you how to do the hair in this video. If you're interested in how I do my hot version It clown, keep watching. So for the first step, I divided my hair into 2 sections. Ow! Ow! And tie them into a high ponytail. And then braid them. Make them into a bun. I already have my makeup on, just want to make my face look more whiter. This one was created to mix the other 2 concealer color to match your skin tone. So I'm using just this one all over my face. I will spray on some moisturized water because this is kind of dry. I used the foundation brush to blend it out into my face. Put on some lip balm to moisturize your lips. Next step, set everything in place using your setting powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking out this eyeshadow palette from NYX. First, I'm using this color. Then I'm mixing this red color and also this one. I took out the darkest lipstick color I have, using this 2 lipstick to edit the lower side of my lid and this color. If you don't have dark red lipstick, it's totally fine. Just find the darkest brown or black eyeshadow you have. So I am using Decay 3 from Urban Decay. I am using the darkest 2 color in this palette. After putting on the lipstick on your eyelid, I'm dabbing this to make the red more darker. For the eyeliner, I am using this one from MSH to create a little wing on your eyes. For lip, the base, I am using this one from Maybelline. It is called Fighter in color 75. For outlining the line, I'm using the lip pencil from Nina. After outlining, I am using the same lipstick which I put on my eyes for filling in the color. And after I put on this one, I am adding the dark color inside the line. So I got the color of the blood drying out, which is the dark red. For the nose, I'm also using the same lipstick color and use the brush to dab a little bit black eyeshadow on my nose to make the red look darker. And after finishing all the outlines and filling the color, using the concealer to reshape to fix the outline. I am using this glitter, which is silver, to put on the tip of my nose and on my cheekbones. For mascara, I am using the same from what I used as always from Kiss Me. For outlining my lips and make my lips a little bit more darker, dabbing some black eyeshadow on the outer side of my lips. For my inner lip, I put on the reddest lips color I have. This one is from Dior and it is their Christmas edition, but you can use any red color you have. For contouring my face, I am using this powder compact from Giorgio Armani. I only want a light contour, so I am using this for my contour. And after all, I am thinking of adding more highlights onto my face. This is the highlight palette from Venus Marble. That's how I create the hot version of my It clown. Hope this video could help the girls who want to be special for this year's Halloween but don't want to be horror. I hope this could be helpful and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more videos. Happy Halloween!